Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked and awake so settings load quickly. First, open Settings from the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear icon in the quick panel. Once done, use the search bar at the top to type VPN to jump straight to the right menu. This saves time versus navigating multiple menus. Make sure you have any VPN app name in mind so you can spot it in the connection list and proceed to the network controls. You're now in the network area. Go to Connections, then More Connection Settings, and open VPN. If a VPN is active, you'll see a status or a running app name. Tap the active VPN, then either flip the disconnect toggle or use the three-dot menu to select Disconnect or Forget. Once disconnected, confirm the status shows inactive. If the VPN app persists, open the app itself and press Disconnect or Stop to ensure system and app-level connections both end. To finish, verify no VPN icon appears in the status bar and test connectivity by loading a web page. If the VPN reconnects, force stop or uninstall the VPN app in Settings Right Arrow Apps. This removes persistent connections. Make sure to clear the app cache if you intend to keep the app but stop AutoConnect. Finally, reboot your phone to reset network stacks. If problems continue, one troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.